Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and I'm absolutely full of the most wretched cold, and it's just gone onto my chest as well, so now I've got a cough. I didn't want to do nothing this week, and so I've done a couple of really simple, easy projects for Halloween. I haven't taken up too much of my time and haven't taken up too much creative energy, because my creative energy levels are at 0 at the minute. So the first one I did, you might have seen, was used a printed template to make these cute treat coffin boxes, which are fantastic. So that's already been uploaded. That was a bit of a cheat, but it's a good cheat. And then I made this coffin sort of shaped bunting, and I recorded myself making it, but I kept coughing and sneezing throughout the video, so I'm not quite sure what there is in terms of instructions to show you. So I'm just going to quickly talk you through it, and then hopefully I'll be able to insert bits that I can find in the edit that aren't that don't have me sneezing and coughing on. So all I did basically was I made myself a template for the coffin shape, which I'm going to use for other things as well, so it's come in handy. And I do keep templates in a folder that I make, so this is a new one. And all I did was I made this 4 inches by 2.5 inches. Okay, so I cut out a piece of card 4 inches by 2.5. And what I did was I marked it on the 2 ends. I marked it at 1/2 and 2 inches. So this has been marked at 1/2 and 2 inches, and then on the longs and on each side, and then on the long side I marked it at 1.5 on each side. And then all I did, I went from my marks and just cut off those pieces, and I ended up with a coffin shape. And what I did was I used pieces of scrap paper. I actually used pieces of scrap from making this. I just drew around my template and cut out. And then what I did, I just stuck that down onto some DSP. So I put the template face down onto the wrong side of the paper, if you like. And this is from the Toil and Trouble set that's currently in the Autumn Winter catalogue. It's really cute. And I just used, this is the same paper, just the 2 sides of the same paper, so I just alternated that. And then I just cut round that again, so I wasn't having to measure out my paper all the time. I only had to do measuring once, and then it was just a matter of drawing round and cutting. And for once I'd made the backgrounds, I just stuck them on and I just simply cut around them. Great project for kids to do. And so then I had the covered template. So then I used some vinyl washi tape, which is like lace, in black and purple, and I just stuck that on the bottom and top just to add something to it. I think sometimes lace can be quite gothic-y, and it can look quite nice when it's used with Halloween projects. And then I just die cut a large B and 2 O's, and I attach those with the mini dimensionals. So there's plenty on there. I think there's about 6 on each. It's just to give them some relief, and that was that. And then I just punched holes, 2 holes in the top of each piece, about 1 centimetre in from the end, and about 1 centimetre down. And then I just threaded through some grey and black baker's twine, which I got from the Stampin' Up clearance rack last year, I think. I got loads. And that's it, and that was my little project there. So I hope you enjoyed that. I definitely enjoyed making it. It's just really cute and I loved it.